lot of facial hair problem. I know it doesn't look good, it's not very appealing, and I have a lot of facial hair which I am getting rid of very slowly. So today I'm going to show you how to get rid of your facial hair naturally. I know there are a lot of treatments like laser, like threading, but then it affects your skin and it becomes really red and very irritating, itchy too. And laser, I don't think your facial hair completely comes off, and it's not long lasting. That's what I feel. So this is a really natural method which will get rid of your hair slowly, but and it's also very beneficial for your skin. So let me show you all the products. So first we'll need gram flour or a besan. We'll need some coconut oil and some rose water. So guys, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of rose water. So we'll make a thick paste. So guys, if you think the consistency is too thick or too thin, you all can add more rose water or oil accordingly. So I'm going to apply this mixture on my face. So just apply it like a face mask, a really thick layer. I'm going to let this stay for about 15 to 20 minutes and let it dry, and then I'm going to rub it off. So it's been more than 15 to 20 minutes and this is dried now. So I'm going to rub it now. So guys, don't wash it, you have to rub it. So go on the opposite direction where your hair grows, like this. Especially this area. So as you can see, there's a little bit left on my face. I'm going to wash my face and come back. I have washed my face now, and my facial area, especially around this corner, all these areas, has gone. This is a slow process, guys. You'll have to do it at least once a week to see good results. I've been doing it for about a month now, and it's not bad, I must say. And this is very beneficial for your skin because you have gram flour, you have oil, and then you have rose water. This makes your skin very smooth too. So I hope this video has been useful. Please let me know, like this video and share it. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Lena. Do you guys are suffering from a lot of wrinkles or skin just dragging down? Today I'm going to show you a really nice skin tightening face mask which is made out of banana. So let's start. Now I'm going to let it stay for about 10 minutes. So it's been more than 10 minutes now. I'm just going to go wash my face. So guys, I've washed my face now, and do this for about 2 to 3 times a week to get better results, and this will make your skin really nice and tight. So like this video and let me know if you've tried this, and I shall see you soon. Bye guys. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Lena. So this is a requested video. One of you guys have requested me to show you how to whiten your dark lips. So yeah, this is almost like a common problem for us who wear a lot of lipstick. A little bit of lipstick stays there and then your lips do get black. So this is a really quick tip. Let me show you how to get white lips. So guys, for this you need only 2 ingredients, baking soda and half a lime. So I'm just going to add a few drops of lemon juice to this. Now I'm going to mix this. And I'm going to quickly apply it on my lips. And I'm going to massage it nicely. So guys, this will also help in exfoliating. So guys, I've waited for 5 minutes. I'm going to wash my lips and show it to you guys. So guys, I've just washed my lips now, and you will definitely not get like instant results. You have to keep repeating this for about 2 to 3 times a week. That's when you will get like complete results. But also remember to moisturize your lips. So after I've done that, I'm going to apply Vaseline, or you can apply any lip balm. So guys, this is my quick tip on how to whiten your lips. Definitely try this, and I will see you soon guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So are you guys facing a lot of problem with acne, redness and skin dullness? I have a perfect solution for you guys. I have this amazing face mask. It's a rice flour face mask. And if you apply this, all your redness, all the acne will go out. It's really good for oily skin too. So let me start now. So guys, for this face mask you will need rice flour. This is about 2 tablespoons of rice flour, some honey and about 2-3 spoons of water. So guys, as I told you, we require about 2 tablespoons of rice flour. I'm going to add honey to this, and then I'm going to add water. We require a thick paste. Now I'm going to apply this on my face. I'm going to tell you what rice flour does to your skin. So rice flour is really good for oily skin. It removes all your acne. So all your oily skin people out there, this is really good for you. Definitely try this. And honey makes your skin really smooth and soft. So guys, it's been more than 15 minutes now. I'm quickly going to wash my face and show it to you guys. So guys, I've just washed my face and it feels really good. Guys, if you have like really oily skin, definitely try this and do it for about 2 to 3 times a week. You won't have any problems. It will get rid of all the acne, all the redness from your skin. So I hope this tip has been useful. I hope this face mask works for you guys, and I will see you soon guys. Bye.